When should you stop buying silver?
Hey, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content.
When should you stop buying silver? That is a question that many of us are often asking ourselves. When should we stop? And I think in part that's because many people are worried that they are going to be buying silver at a very high dollar amount and then see silver drop. You know, back in, 2010, 2011, silver hit that $48 an ounce number. And there were some people that got into silver then for the first time, new people to the precious metals market. And they are very, very sour over the fact that they saw silver plummet down to, $11, $10, $12 an ounce. And so a lot of people that bought silver at that $48 an ounce, figure, even $40 an ounce. And now here we are at like $26, $27 at the time of the filming of this video. People are really, those people that bought at those highs are upset. And there's people that are getting into stacking now, and they're debating whether or not these numbers right now that we are seeing are too high or if it's still a good opportunity. You have to keep in mind there's going to be a lot of people on YouTube, on the internet, basically pumping silver, saying that silver is going to hit hundreds of dollars per ounce. And you have to remember, too, what companies are those people from? What is it that they are looking to do? When you have a company like, let's say, Kitco provides news and analysis and what have you on precious metals and the precious metals market. But oftentimes, a lot of the people that are on Kitco are pumping the prices of silver. When you think about the companies that are on Kitco, like mining companies that are trading mining stocks and you have different people that are owning. Then you have people that own different websites that sell silver and gold. They would love to see the prices of silver and gold go through the roof so that they can maximize their profits. Whereas people like myself and people like you who are just buying silver and gold as a means to hedge against inflation and to store your wealth, we are seeing these prices kind of increasing in spot, and it's making it more difficult for us to buy silver, right? You used to be able to buy, two of these for the same price now that you're buying just one of them, right? You were able to get these for $18, $17 a piece not too long ago, and now you're spending $33, $34 for just one of them. So a lot of us are definitely feeling it. So when should you stop buying silver? In my opinion, for myself anyway, I stopped buying silver for my own personal stack right about now, right around that $26, $27 an ounce spot price. If I am able to get some silver eagles, though, let's say at $32, $33, I'll still buy some, but I will not buy them for any more than that. And why is that? I think in part it's because I am very used to that dollar amount that I've been spending, $18, $19 on a silver eagle. And now to have to spend $33, $34, to me, I feel like it's a little too much. Now, I did post a video talking about getting through that mental barrier, and I posted that because a lot of people are having this same exact problem, and I am having that problem. And I said, you used to be able to get two of these back 5-6 months ago, and now you can really, for that same price, only get one of them. And I suggested that you could just do that then now. Instead of spending $35 for 2 ounces, spend that $35 for the 1 ounce. And I was saying you should keep stacking, but you're going to be doing it on a lesser scale. Now, while that does work for some people, other people don't like that approach. They're going to just wait, hope that the prices drop, and see what happens then. But for me, when should you stop buying silver? I think you should stop buying silver I'm not buying silver really right now for my own personal stack. I am buying silver for my auctions, for my website, for Instagram sales, for my person-to-person sales. I am buying silver for that. But for my own stack, I'm not really buying a whole heck of a lot. I am buying gold. I'm more bullish on gold right now. I feel like the premiums are not as high for gold as they are for silver. If you just break down the costs of the spot per ounce of gold, and then how much you can get, let's say like a silver eagle, I find that the premiums are a little bit more manageable than they are for silver. So what I've been doing is I would buy, silver for my auctions and my website or what have you, and I would sell those items for a profit, and then I take those profits. I do have to keep some money aside because I do pay taxes, but some of those profits I then roll into some free gold. Now, the one risk, though, that you do face if you do not buy silver now is that prices of silver can continue to rise, and they can hold at higher positions for a very long time, if not indefinitely. We really don't know what the future holds. In my opinion, I feel like we are going to be hovering in this mid $20 range for quite some time. I think that this is kind of the new baseline for a while now, unless we start seeing a major push on the United States dollar. If we see that the dollar gets real strong, if we see excellent job reports and the United States economy starts moving along, then we will see some pricing adjustments there to having silver and gold drop significantly. But being that we are still in the time of COVID, we see that COVID is going to last for at least, some people are saying another year, 2 years, and we have the election coming up in November, then, I think that we are going to be at these prices, if not higher prices, for quite some time. And we did see this pullback right now, but I think we're going to see a surge again. I think we're going to kind of see silver push back up to the $30 range. And I do see gold heading back up to that $2,000 range within the next, month or so. So if you don't buy silver now, then you do run the risk of silver hitting those numbers, and then you're going to be having even a more difficult time in obtaining some silver. So even though for myself personally, I'm not buying as much right now, I think if you are newer, I think that you really should be buying silver. I think if you do get into the market right now and you buy silver and the prices drop, then I think that's an opportunity for you to even load up on some more. If the prices drop, I will be loading up on more silver too. But I think that it depends on your own personal situation, what you're comfortable with. If you're new, if you don't have any silver, you should buy some. If you're a seasoned stacker, then most of you are probably like me, where you're probably sitting and waiting, or you're kind of decreasing the amount that you're buying. Or you could be one of those other individuals that are just like, no, silver's going to go to the moon. I'm buying no matter what. There could be, some of those individuals watching this video too, and they're just going to keep on buying regardless. So, it really depends on what it is you're looking to do. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what it is that you are doing. I'm sure a lot of us would love to hear what it is that you are doing. Do you agree, disagree with me? Do you think these prices are too high? I'm thinking that they are a little too high, especially for Eagles right now. Do you think that this is still a buying opportunity? What are your thoughts? Comment below. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.